Ready to take the first step toward releasing your app to the world? Now that we are done with the part that concerns customization and features in the nandbox app builder. In this video, we will go through the process of testing and building your app. Upon entering the build section, you will be welcomed with 4 main elements, which are company details, Google Play setup, App Store setup, and a release list. Every building process you create will be present on the release list, with the release type, time, and status. You will be able to start the building process by clicking on New Release and selecting your operating system and format. Usually, the building process would require you to complete the operating system setup. However, you can test APK immediately without having to complete any setup. We will first start with the company details. This is where you need to enter information about your app and company, which must be done before moving on to the next step. You would need to fill in your company name, brand name, and web address if found. The Google Play and App Store setup would come next, and we will go through each of them in detail. In addition to simplifying the development process, nandbox made it effortless to go through the building process as well. This is thankfully due to compiling codes for both Android and iOS to match and fit the material design guidelines, as well as combining all the necessary setups to be done in one place efficiently with no need for any external intervention. For the Google Play setup, it is done in one swift step. First, you would click on the Android setup button, and then you would get to insert some information such as the app name, app icon, notification icon, and package ID. Make sure the information you provide matches the one in your Google developer account. Once you are done with the setup, you can now release in bundle format, and you are ready to publish. For the Apple Store setup, the steps differ from one account type to another. If you are an individual, you only need to enter your Apple developer account information and the app-specific password. After that, you would proceed with the app information setup, and you are good to go. For organizations, you would need to enter your team name and invite publishing at nandbox. Calm as an app manager in your Apple developer account. You can move on with releasing your app on test flight once you completed the Apple Store setup. Easy as pie. Nandbox offers an easy and simplified building process like never before. Now, in just a few easy steps, you can have your app ready for publishing in a matter of minutes. Nandbox, the native, no-code app builder.